Good evening. Today we're going to have an interview with one of the pastors who graduated Crossing Culture International or CCI. Good evening, Pastor Max.
Good evening.
Nice to meet you. All right, Pastor, please tell us something about yourself.
I'm Pastor Max Caendoy, living at Tagbilaran City, a senior pastor of the Christian Gospel Mission of the Philippines here in Bohol.
Wow. All right, Pastor, please tell us, how did you become a Christian, or how did you meet Jesus in your life?
Well, when I'm still in high school days, in third year high school, one of my friends invited me to attend evangelistic crusade conducted by evangelical groups. But when I attended that seminars, I decided to accept Jesus Christ during that time. It was May 17, 1978. So after that, I realized that since I am desirous to have a passion for the ministry, I decided to come to the Bible school until I finish my course as biblical theology.
Wow, so biblical theology. That's great. Pastor, please tell us, how did you get connected with Crossing Culture International?
One time when our founder international David Nelson and Minde went here in Philippines, that was July 2000, he invited me to join the Crossing Culture International, but before BTCP. But I did not decided immediately to accept the offer. I just give a 1 year preparations just to pray for that position. When he was hurrying back here in Philippines in 2001 July, then he invited me again to join. So that time I accepted the offer, July 2001.
Wow, very significant. The dates, you still remember them.
Yeah.
Okay, Pastor, what is your main responsibility at Crossing Culture International?
Well, when I accepted the offer of David Nelson's, my greatest responsibility is a Visayas coordinator. Mindanao and Visayas is my job's responsibility. My area of responsibility is so bigger, so we decided to choose another persons in Mindanao. So I just focus on Holy Visayas.
Wow, it's really a great job serving the Lord through CCI. Pastor, being a coordinator, for sure you have a lot of stories about multiplication, which in the Bible it is written in 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 2, Pastor. So please tell us some stories about multiplication.
Well, when I started using the CCI manual or the BTCP manual, I started teaching the materials. The first who graduated in my teaching career is my wife, and together with my 7 students.
Amazing.
So after the graduation, we invited Dennis Mock,
Really?
the founder, the writer, to come here in Philippines for the graduations.
Wow.
Then after that, I look at it that my students are teaching another BTCP manual in the different respective places. So today, we have 52 church planters and pastors, and they are now echoing this manual to their different churches. So we have so many students today.
Well, basically, do you know how many, the exact number of the students?
I think it's more than 600 since I started the BTCP, but I just only remember the pastors and missionaries which is under my care is 52.
Wow, really great work for that. Okay, Pastor, what is the blessing in serving CCI?
My skills and knowledge are widened in terms of ministry. That's my personal blessing. Then, in terms of burden of works, I'm not so much burdened with my works because I have so many workers that backing me up in my ministry.
Oh,
That's my blessing I earn.
wow. So for the last question, Pastor, how have you seen the benefit of CCI through the lives that have been changed, like your students or the pastors?
there are so many pastors I have seen their lives was being changed. That's my blessings. And until today, they are transferring this material to other resorts, other pastors and churches. That's the blessing I see this today.
Wow, thank you so much, Pastor. Thank you for your time, and God bless you so much with your
Thank you.
ministry.